Doing a thorough clean of a bathroom doesn't have to be a difficult job. And by thorough, I actually mean cleaning the walls and the ceilings as well. Basically, you just need the right tools for the job, and using this flat mop makes the job so much easier because you've got that larger surface area. You do have to make sure you always keep your hand at the bottom of the mop though, and this will help you to avoid ever banging into anything because your hand will hit it first. Go slowly and do it carefully, particularly if you're inexperienced with the flat mop. Remember, I've been using a flat mop for years, so I've got a lot of techniques with it. But if you're new to using flat mops, just go slowly and carefully. And remember, at the cleaning stage, the head of the flat mop is always wet. When you're cleaning, you are using some type of a cleaning agent, some type of product or whatever, and you have a wet cloth, or in this case, a wet microfiber mop head. You use a dry cloth only at the polishing stage. Pay attention to the grout when you're cleaning. You'll need to go over those grout lines again and again because they're a little bit indented in, and they're a part where dirt and soap scum actually sits in. Just because you have dirty grout doesn't mean that you need to use really harsh chemicals. It just means that you need to clean them a little bit more. So whether you're using the flat mop or a cloth, always get into those grout lines, and you'll see that then it doesn't build up because you're cleaning it. You need to clean the fixtures so that you clean the watermarks off them and keep them looking beautifully and sparkly. Now the rinsing. Rinsing is so important. You are rinsing away all that excess product and you're rinsing away the dirt at the same time. After cleaning, you want to get that polishing cloth and dry. You want to use that polishing cloth dry. And you know what? It shouldn't actually get dirty while you're using it because you've already cleaned everything. If that polishing cloth is getting dirty, then that's telling you didn't do a very good job of cleaning. Make sustainable cleaning choices. Remember, if you don't wear glasses like I do when I'm cleaning, you need to put safety glasses on so you're avoiding any drips. Extendable pole on the flat mop means that you don't need to use any ladders to reach those high spaces, and so you avoid any potential injuries, because apparently a lot of people do hurt themselves with ladder injuries. Using vinegar to clean your ceilings and walls really kills that mold and mildew growth. After all, mold and mildew is just different types of fungi, and if you use bleach, you're actually just bleaching the color out of it. You're not actually killing the fungi, whereas vinegar is really efficient at doing that. When it comes to cleaning the walls and ceilings, the flat mop is perfect.